Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do the Larksfoot stitch, or it's also known as the icicle stitch. This is going to be part 1, which I'm going to show you how to do the dark brown, and part 2 will show you how to do the light brown. So that's the finished product. To start, you will need a crocheting hook and your wool. This stitch works with a multiple of 4 stitches and plus 1 for the turning chain. So we are going to work with a multiple of 4, and I am going to do 24 stitches, which is a multiple of 4 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $24, and I must do my plus 1, which makes it 25. Okay, for the first row, sorry, I'm just giving myself a little bit of wool end here. Okay, for the first row, we're going to work in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. In the 4th chain, we double crochet. And in the next stitch we double crochet. Chain 1, skip a stitch, 3 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Chain 1, skip a stitch, 3 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Chain 1, skip a stitch, double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Your work should start looking, well, it should look like something like this. We have a block of 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, and the first block, which is 2 double crochet, and the chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. Chain 1, skip a stitch, 3 double crochet. Chain 1, skip a double crochet, skip a stitch, sorry, and 3 double crochet. Now I'm at the end of my row. This is what row 1 should look like. And I should have 6 blocks with chain 1 spaces in between, because 4 times 6 is 24, and I did 24 stitches, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For row 2, we chain 3, turn our work. We do not work in the first stitch by the chain 3, we work in these 2 stitches with a double crochet in 2 stitches, skipping the first stitch. Chain 1, skip the chain 1 space, 3 double crochet. sorry, I just need a bit more wool. Chain 1, skip the chain 1 space, and 3 double crochet in the 3 double crochet of the previous row. Continuing with the pattern of chain 1, skip 1, 3 double crochet, work until you get to the end of your row. And I'll show you how you end off with the last of the pattern. Chain 1, skip 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1. Now I'm at the last block, so do 2 double crochet in the 2 double crochets of the previous row, and as we started, the chain 3 in the beginning was counted as a double crochet, so we are to double crochet in the top of the chain 3. So you should have, let me just move this out the way so you can see one. Should have 6 blocks with chain 1 spaces, 5 chain 1 spaces, and then the second row is exactly the same as the first row. In part 2 I'll show you how you do the Larksfoot pattern. It looks like a little foot, or icicle pattern. So watch part 2 to see how to do row 3 and row 4. See you then.